Hey guys, and in today's video it's an EAS alert of a tornado, a fire tornado, and please note that this is fake. This is for educational purposes only. Do not believe this is real. This is fake. This is fake.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following areas: southeastern Utah, west central Colorado at 9:07 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A severe and highly dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Moab, Utah. Moving east, speed 50 miles per hour expected. Path: this dangerous storm will cross the Utah-Colorado state line shortly. It is heading directly toward central Colorado, including areas along the Interstate 70 corridor. Hazards: tornado, quarter-sized hail, flying debris impacts. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Significant tree damage is expected. Action required: take cover now. Move immediately to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows at all costs. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter immediately. Protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service and environmental protection officials have issued a combined tornado and hazardous materials warning for the following areas: west central Colorado, populated areas along the Interstate 70 corridor. At 8:32 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a critical hazardous material situation has developed within an active tornado. A large, violent tornado moving east at 50 miles per hour has heavily damaged a major industrial fuel storage facility and multiple natural gas pipelines. Current status and hazards: airborne fuel saturation. The tornado vortex has absorbed and atomized hundreds of thousands of gallons of volatile liquid fuels, solvents, and pressurized gases. Toxic vapor cloud. The storm is actively spraying a highly concentrated, toxic mist of unburned fuel and hazardous chemicals into the air and over the debris field. Extreme explosion risk. The air inside and immediately surrounding the tornado path is highly explosive. Any spark, down power line, or running vehicle engine could trigger a massive explosion. Movement: moving east, speed 50 miles per hour. Immediate action required: shelter and seal your home. Move immediately to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Turn off ventilation. Immediately shut off all air conditioning, heating units, and intake fans. Seal gaps around doors and windows with damp towels to prevent toxic fuel vapors from entering your shelter. Eliminate ignition sources. Do not flip light switches, light matches, or use electronics if you smell fuel. Turn off any gas appliances if safe to do so. Do not run vehicle engines. If you are caught in your car downwind of the storm, pull over, turn off the engine immediately, and seek sturdy shelter. Running engines can ignite the airborne fuel vapors. The National Weather Service and Colorado civil authorities have issued a fire tornado emergency for the following areas: west central Colorado, the Interstate 70 corridor and surrounding canyon communities. At 9:22 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a catastrophic escalation has occurred. The previously tracked, fuel-saturated tornado has moved directly into an active forest fire zone. Current status and hazards: vortex ignition. The atomized fuel, petroleum vapors, and natural gas trapped within the tornado have violently ignited. Massive fire tornado. The storm has transformed into a massive, multi-mile high swirling column of fire moving at 50 miles per hour. Extreme thermal radiation. Radiant heat from the vortex is capable of causing severe burns from a distance and will instantly ignite structures ahead of the path. Firestorm generation. The extreme updraft is pulling burning forest debris and embers thousands of feet into the air, raining fire down miles ahead of the main storm.
Thank you guys for watching. Just a reminder, this is fake. This is not real. It's just a mock-up. This is for educational purposes. Bye.